So today at AmpQuartz, we're going to talk about 6 tips on how to choose the good quality countertops material. So the first tips of choosing a good quality countertop is going to be considering your material for your countertops. As we know, countertops has a lot of materials such as sintered stone, quartz, marble, granite, or even compact glass. So countertops are available in materials like I mentioned just now. For example, quartz, an engineered stone that is non-porous, stain resistant, and available in wide range of colors and patterns. Another example, marble, luxurious and timeless but soft and prone to scratches, stains, and etching from acidic substances. Last but not least, the laminate, a budget-friendly option that mimics expensive material but is less durable and prone to wear over time. Your choice should always depend on your lifestyle, aesthetic, and willingness to maintain. The countertop material depends on your needs and desire. Of course, the second tips is going to be the evaluations of the durability of your countertops. Okay, durability is critical, especially in a busy kitchen where countertops face daily wear and tear. For high traffic kitchens, for example, choose material like quartz or granite that resist scratching or heat damage. And the other one like marble and wood are softer materials that may show wear more quickly, making them better for kitchen with light use such as dry kitchen. Last but not least, you need to know and how assess the resistance the material is to stains or moisture, especially in areas prone to spills or splashes like near sinks or stove tops. So to sum up, the second tips is all about know what you're going to do with your countertops. For example, you're not going to choose a compact glass or something like laminate or melamine for your heavy cooking kitchen. You're going to choose aluminium or even solid plywood for that. So the third tips is going to be checking your maintenance and upkeep requirement of your specific countertops. Why? Because a lot of people actually neglected this point. The upkeep of your countertops material directly affect its lifespan and appearance. For example, natural stones like granite and marble require more than regular sealing to maintain their resistance to stains and moisture. Neglecting this can lead to discoloration or even damage. For example, quartz and solid surface countertops are non-porous and easier to maintain as they can be cleaned with mild soap and water, making them great for those who want a low maintenance option. Considering your willingness to maintain the material, higher maintenance option may not be ideal if you prefer a more easy and budget choice. But to sum up, it still comes down to your own preference. If you are willing to sacrifice the budget and going for luxurious options, then marble and granite is your choice. The fourth tips, of course, is going to be the examine your aesthetic appeal. Why? Because you have to understand that countertops is the heart of your home and is the core structures of your kitchen. That's why choose a material that design and complements with a kitchen style, cabinetry, flooring, and backsplash. For example, for a classic and traditional look, natural stones like marble and granite with winning patterns are excellent choices. However, for a modern and minimalist kitchen, quartz and sintered stone with solid colors or subtle patterns works well in all of the styles and patterns. Visit the showrooms or request samples to see how the material looks in various lighting and try to simulate the condition with your real-life kitchens. This is to know the condition and against your kitchen elements when you design the countertops material or choosing which one material that you want to go for your kitchen. The fifth tips for you is of course the cost. You have to assess your cost and budget when you try to build a countertops. Countertops range widely in price based on the material, brand, or even the installation fees. For example, laminate and tile countertops are affordable options for tight budgets. Premium materials like marble and quartz can cost significantly more but offer exceptional beauty and durability. Remember to include the installation cost. Materials like granite and quartz require professional cutting and fitting, which adds to the total expense obviously. So you will be able to look for warranties that cover defects or repairs, but of course it comes with a higher cost since you have a warranty, right? So especially for expensive material to ensure the long-term value. So not only you need to know which kind of material that your countertops want to be built with, but you also need to assess it with your own budget. So the last tips, which is the sixth one for the day, is going to be the prioritizing your functionality of your countertops. So your countertops should align with how you use your kitchen in daily. If you frequently bake or prepare food, considering materials like quartz and granite, which can be handled hot pans, rolling dough, and even heavy usage. For example, families with young children might prioritize durable and stain-resistant materials that can cause by spilling, scratching and other accidents that easily happen when your child is around. So for smaller kitchens or specific cooking areas, consider the thickness of the countertops. Thicker slabs can withstand more weight. Thinner ones might be more suitable for light use. So to sum up, don't forget the edge profile. For example, the bevel, the rounded or even waterfall edge, which enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your overall kitchens. Okay, so this is the end of our episode, and hopefully the 6 tips gonna help you to choose the countertops that fits your preference. For AmpQuartz, we also have amazing cabinetry. For example, we have over 1,000 plus of designs and material for you to customize your own ideal kitchen cabinet. And we also have very professional, dedicated cabinet consultant. So when you come to us, consult with our dedicated cabinet consultant, you will be provided up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is for you to ensure that our design and material suits your every need and desires. And after your installation is completed, you will get about 2 hours of free cleaning service. So if you say, hey, kitchen cabinet very expensive, but no worries, we provide you up to 24 months of installment with 0% of interest to ensure that you won't have any cash flow problem, but also you can bring home your ideal kitchen cabinet. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.